In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a powerful signal from deep space. It lasted just 72 seconds, then vanished. It was so strong and unexpected that the astronomer monitoring it circled it on the data printout and wrote a single word. Wow. So ... what was it? Signals from space happen all the time, usually caused by stars, satellites, or background radiation. But they're weak, predictable, and repeatable. This one was none of those. Over 45 years later, no one has been able to explain the wow signal. It never repeated. It came from a quiet patch of sky. And to this day, some scientists still wonder, was it a message? It's August 15th, 1977. The Big Ear radio telescope is scanning the skies as part of the SETI project, search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Suddenly, it detects a narrowband radio signal. At first, it seems to be about 30 times stronger than the background noise. That isn't unusual. What is unusual is that the telescope can resolve the signal to an apparent origin in the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. The signal also happens to be around 1420 megahertz, close to what astronomers call the hydrogen line, the frequency at which hydrogen atoms naturally emit and absorb radiation. When astronomer Jerry Emmons saw the data printout, he was stunned. He circled the alphanumeric spike and wrote, "Wow," on it, giving the signal its now famous name. What made it so strange was that radio telescopes can only observe each part of the sky for 72 seconds at a time. And that is exactly how long the signal lasted. Since that day, the wow signal has never repeated. Despite multiple follow-up scans by various observatories around the world, nothing has ever been detected again from that exact location in the sky. But that doesn't mean scientists have stopped looking. In 2017, a group of researchers led by astronomer Alberto Caballero, Florida, published a controversial paper suggesting that a comet could have emitted the signal as it flew past Earth. But this is far from the only popular theory out there. Could the wow signal have been some kind of alien communication? Maybe a deliberate broadcast, a beacon, or even the transmission from a distant probe? Terrestrial interference seems very unlikely because the radio frequencies used by television, radar, and other human-made sources do not generally include this band. That is not to say it's impossible that some unknown human-made source could be responsible, but it seems increasingly unlikely given that no similar signals have appeared in this band in the last 45 years. The truth is, to this day, no one knows what the wow signal was. Its source has never been positively identified. It was an extremely strong signal that came from a direction in the sky that was otherwise quiet. And it happened at a frequency that natural objects tend to avoid, making it unlike any known natural source. To top it all off, it's the strongest candidate for alien contact ever recorded. A single signal from space louder than anything else, perfectly aligned with what we might expect from intelligent life, and never repeated. The wow signal remains one of the great unanswered questions in astronomy. What if we already received our first message from the stars, and we just missed the reply? You think the wow signal was alien communication, or a freak event? Drop your theory in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries of space and time.